Damn, that front end is sick. All right, so we went to Mexico for a stock 6.2 6-speed. Of course, with the driver mod, you got to give it up. You got to give it up. No, I'm just playing. I suck, but for a decent driver, it kept up with the 10-speed tune. The car, he pulled top end by like a car and a half. I didn't know what we ran into. I wasn't paying attention to that. It's my friend's car, so I was just more focused on keeping it safe and off the wall or off another car. But overall, I'm really impressed with it. The low end torque was insane. Ricky, Alan, what'd y'all think?
Bro, that was pretty, dude. This is fucking awesome. This is a quick fucking car, bro.
Hey, from a 10-speed owner that has a tune, but Lund tune, right?
A Lund tune
with cold air intake.
Dude,
it kept up pretty well.
It kept up pretty good.
The tires, they were sticky. I wasn't expecting that. Second gear pulls took it all day, so that was insane. Right now we had like 3 stars on GTA, so we had to cool down back here, and then, so we're just chilling for a bit and we're just gonna go home. But Ricky, you got a badass car. Bro, enjoy the power.
I can't wait to start driving this shit more and just getting used to the transmission. Bro.
Hey, next thing you know, a little Maggie supercharger with the built motor.
The Whipasso.
Oh no. Second day with the car, Ricky, we had to bring him to the inaugural Bucees Trip. So we're here at Buc-ee's. We had a good time driving up here. Yep, so it's the inaugural drive for Ricky. The first time ever coming to Buc-ee's with us. We had a little bit of a spirited drive. This one's my girlfriend's 2022 performance package. She's fired. She's fired from recording. Anyways, performance pack. And then we head over here to my friend's car. This one has wheels and tires, Cobra Jet. No, I'm just playing. It's just Lund tune and intake. And this was actually the car that we ran with Ricky's car, which is a stock one and lead. This is Slow Speds. If you want to say hi to the camera, it's kind of got the awerism. But moving forward, we're gonna go ahead and get some snacks, and hopefully we'll do some cool little videos once we're back on the road. So yeah. All right. Who the fuck's back? Oh. Slow speeds. Slow speeds.
Didn't see y'all there. Just driving.
What are we doing?
Test driving a Mustang.
Are you making a comeback? Trying to.
Maybe not, because I'm about to be gone for a year anyways. Should I go to the next exit or this one?
I don't know what this exit is.
Next one.
Where are you taking me, actually?
Mexico.
Oh. All right, so we're currently in a 2023 10-speed Mustang. What's the color again?
Eruption green.
Eruption green.
Check the Recaros.
Yeah, it has little Recaros. They hug you real nice.
10-speed.
Yeah, 10-speed. It has a 408 package.
Premium.
Yeah, premium. The only thing that it doesn't have is going to be the digital dash and the active exhaust, which we don't need either way because we can modify those things if Brian does want to do that.
Oh, dude, I don't know where to go. Next one.
Yeah, I don't know where Brian's taking me. And after about 2 hours, not too long, this was a lot faster than Ricky's car buying process. So, congrats, Brian.
Thank you.
New 2023
How should I close it?
5.0 owner. Close it however you want, big boy. Congrats. Looks badass. Let's take a look inside. The best part. Them are Recaro seats. It's a cool car. So now we have a whole crew ready to go canyon driving on Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. We're gonna go ahead and maybe the Twisted Sisters, which is like a cool trail here in San Antonio, or we might be able to hit like the New Braunfels area. All right, so we're good to go. Again, congrats, Brian. Welcome back to the Mustang family, even though you already had a Mustang. But yeah, the city of San Antonio is celebrating slow speeds being back. As you guys can see, there's green fireworks to match the green car.
Fireworks.
What do you think about that? Good juju or bad juju?
Good juju. Besides the truck almost just took us out for good.
Yeah.
Super into our lane.
Yeah, basically this truck like cut us off. It was like halfway in our lane. There was a car next to us. We almost got hit, but we didn't. Yeah, it wasn't that one. Yeah.
It was a different truck.
But yeah, celebration. We're just happy to have the car. I'm happy for Brian. I'm excited. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make this a one-part video. So next up, hopefully on Saturday, we're gonna go ahead and go canyon driving with a couple of our friends. The plan is to take Brian's new car, Ricky's new Camaro SS1 LE, my girlfriend's performance pack, and then our other friend's 5.0. So we're gonna go ahead and see who can't keep up. Ricky's the only one that's a manual and he's still learning, so he's probably going to be slower on the curves, but that's all good. It's the best time to practice. Alright, good morning everybody. It's the crack acid dawn and we're up. Not for work. Definitely not for work. We're actually up. We're going to do the first modifications to the car, so I wanted to bring you guys along. I've been thinking about modding this vehicle for a while now. We're still going to keep the warranty, so it's nothing too crazy, but I did want to bring you guys along. So let's go ahead and go to the shop and you guys will see what's going on for the first round of mods. Cold start. We are here to pick up Brian because he's going to be doing the same exact mod we are. So, yep. Bad influences on each other? Bad influences on each other? Maybe. Are we here for a good time? Yes, we are. So, we'll see how it goes. And it's actually going to be really cool. And I'm just going to give you guys the mod. It's something small, something minimal. We're thinking about doing H-pipe on both of the cars. This one's an active exhaust equipped car. His is not active exhaust equipped, but he does have some badass Recaros, and we'll find out, see how it sounds. Is there a sound difference? Do you think there's going to be a sound difference between both of ours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be minimal, but it's going to be there.
Mine's going to sound better.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. But is yours faster?
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, it actually is, because his car weighs less. Oh, he wants his pink one. Oh, I don't know what you mean by that, but there you go, sir.
Mine has to get done first.
Why? All right, so Brian's car is done with the H-pipe. He's gonna give me a couple revs. Sounds good. Is that loud enough for you? Does that quench your thirst for more noise? No? Long tubes or what? No, bad. You still have paper plates. Currently already on the lift. I already took out the resonator in the middle. And the H-pipe is being put on. So the thing that I was most worried about doing this with the H-pipe is it's a really nice car. We spent a lot of money on it and we want to be able to daily drive it. Of course, long tube headers and X-pipe and all that stuff is going to be way too loud. But doing just the H-pipe by itself was not a bad idea. So using the active exhaust in quiet mode, you guys can hear me perfectly fine. The valves are doing their jobs. So we go ahead and hop over to normal mode. And I got caught at a red light. So once I start driving, I'll go ahead and change the modes for you guys. Alrighty, so we just left the muffler shop. Shout out CD Muffler. Right now, I have the car in quiet mode, and this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted for the active exhaust to be able to do its thing, that I can go ahead and drive the car, record videos, answer a business phone call, and I can do it while not sounding drone or long tube headers. Just gonna be, you know, making your ears bleed. So anyways, this is quiet mode, and you guys can hear me perfectly fine. You might not even be able to hear the car at all. We go ahead and swap to normal mode, and I give it a little bit of gas, and you can hear it. Sounds good. Doesn't sound terrible. And then whenever we switch it to sport mode, there's a bigger difference. There was a subtle change whenever it was a just like stock whole catback system. Going ahead and doing this H-pipe, you see more of a difference whenever you're switching through your modes. And exactly the same thing with track mode. So this is exactly what Andre and I were wanting. So perfect. We liked it. I'll get you guys some outside clips, but I did want to go ahead and go through all of the different exhaust modes for you guys, so you guys can hear it from inside the cabin. I know that's important for some of you guys, as it is for me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is gonna be the question that's gonna be asked a lot. There's not a specific brand that I went for the H-pipe. I just legit went to the muffler shop. I know they have like stainless cast or whatever it is for as far as mufflers go. So, and he always does good work. So we went ahead and just told him, hey, I want an H-pipe, make me one. And it was $140. Sounds just the exact same or even better than Cook's H pipe, Corsa H pipe, or whatever you want to go with. You save yourself time, you save yourself money, and it's just more convenient. You're helping out a local shop, so shop local whenever you can. That's basically it. Right now, when I get outside of the car, I'll go ahead and show you guys some revving action.